Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show the program icon names in the taskbar in Windows 10. So we're all familiar with the icons, but if you actually want to show the name of the icons as well, so like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, File Explorer, that kind of thing. So maybe you prefer just looking at the name of it. Maybe you have a relative who's new to computers, perhaps. Who knows, but I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the personalization tile, and then you want to go select where it says taskbar on the left side. And now on the right underneath where it says combine taskbar buttons, click inside the drop down here. Select never. And then once you're done with that, you just go ahead and close it here. And now if you open up any programs on your computer, you notice now it'll show the name of the program underneath of it. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.